Hello, this is Henry,
Javier.
and this is our coursework 2. This is the object independent projection.
Yeah, here we have the fisheye projection first, where we can change three of its parameters, which are the strength, the distortion, and the power. They are all related.
And then we have the spherical projection, where we can change theta and phi, which are based on the angles of the sphere, typically normally set to 180 and 360. And we can move the camera about. And then we have
We have the cone projection, where we can change half angle, which is between 0 and 90, right?
yeah,
Then the main, well, the default is 45. Then we can change theta and phi, which are the same as in the sphere.
and then we have the what we called the water jet projection, which was our first attempt at conical projection that, although incorrect, achieved a interesting enough result that we wanted to include it and include all the parameters that we could with altering it. And then we have
The object-based projection, when we first have the sphere projection, as you can see, we project now the uh, the camera view onto the sphere surface, and we can change the distance from the projector. We can change the distortion of the projection and the exponent. So we have two parameters from the sphere projection. Then rotating objects.
and we also use the same projection to project onto a cone as opposed to a sphere with the same parameters exposed. And then we do the same for a
Yeah.
cylinder.
And for the cube.
For a cube, just the more default.
Yeah, it's more like a plane, but you can rotate it and check what happens. Then
And we also added input for
oh,
the, we also added an input for the
for the
webcam
yeah.
to add a little bit more practical application and interesting effects.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.